How to register a Bitfinex account. Hello everyone, if you're looking for a professional and highly secure cryptocurrency exchange, Bitfinex is a great choice. In this video, I'll show you how to register a Bitfinex account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome. To register an account and get attractive offers from Bitfinex, visit coinaz.net/Bitfinex. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to register a Bitfinex account. Let's get started. To register an account, you need to enter your email address, username, password, and country of residence. Here are some important requirements for your password. I'll use the example shown on the screen for your reference. This is a referral code. If you don't have one, enter this code to receive bonus rewards. Once you're done, click Sign Up. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the captcha. Bitfinex has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email inbox. This is the email I received from Bitfinex. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click here. Then check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the email from Bitfinex. This is your verification code. Enter the verification code here. The next step is to set up account security. Click Next. Click here to copy the setup key. Now, download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. In the search bar, type Google Authenticator. This is the app you need to download. Click here. Click Open. Click Get Started. Choose the Google account you want to link. Then click Continue. Click Add a code. Select Enter a setup key. Enter the account name. Then paste the setup key you copied here. Click Add. This is your Google Authenticator code. Click here to copy it. Once you have the code, return to the Bitfinex website. Click I've linked my code. Enter or paste the Google Authenticator code here. Your account security setup is now complete. Next, click Login now. Enter your email or username and password. Then click Login. Next, enter the code generated by the Google Authenticator app. This is the Terms of Service section. Click here to confirm that you have read, understood, and agreed to the terms of service. Click Submit. Now, you need to verify your account to receive benefits and offers from Bitfinex. Click Verify. There are two verification options, Basic Plus and Account Upgrade. You should choose Account Upgrade to unlock full access to Bitfinex. In the Account Upgrade section, you can choose Intermediate or Advanced Verification. I'll choose Upgrade to Full Verification. These are some of the details you need to provide to Bitfinex. Please prepare all required documents and follow the instructions to complete verification. That's how to register a Bitfinex account. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.